Welcome. In this video I will give you the list of essential shortcuts for your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 that every Chromebook user should know about. Let's start with the Task Manager. The Task Manager is pretty hard to reach using the common interface of your Chromebook. Therefore, it's much easier to use your keyboard to access it, and the Launcher Escape shortcut will get you right here. In this menu we will have three different tabs. One is with tabs and extensions view, one with the system view, and one with all tasks in one place. The next shortcut I wanted to show you is a quick way to sign out of your account, and it's Ctrl Shift and Q. You have to press it twice to sign out of your account. The third shortcut that I wanted to show you is quite similar to this one, but it lets you lock your screen quite easily. Just press Launcher L and you can go away and make yourself some coffee at work and not worry about your device's privacy. And the next shortcut is for people who want to quickly delete something but they cannot find the delete button since there isn't one on Chromebooks. In such case, to resolve this simple issue with a simple solution, use Launcher Backspace, and this combination of keys will quickly delete any file from your computer. And the last, I think the most important shortcut for the beginners is Ctrl Launcher S, and this shortcut will get you directly to the shortcuts menu where you can get to know each one of them in one place. So if you forget a shortcut and you want to get a quick reminder, simply press Ctrl Launcher S and find your shortcut in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.